Bang! Killed my bell. Loves to do it every day. Broadcast. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, January the 18th, 4 p.m. Eastern, 2012. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. S&P's down, up, closing strong. German auction went off okay. Europe didn't implode. As we said, there was going to be a nice sell-off, and there was. I thought we'd get down to that 1285 level. We didn't. But amazing how the S&Ps broke through support here and then came back. But certainly you look at the daily chart, S&P 500 grinding higher now. And again, one of the things, now check my twits. I said I didn't like the action. Market acted too strong. It actually sold off after I tweeted that. Allowed you to escape relatively unscathed. You really didn't take our previous day low. Really held this. Made me nervous. Listen, I love this formation. I love a shooting star. But, man, you got to have bad news and bearish engulfing or something else supporting your cause. You need bearish engulfing. And there wasn't. It was a setup. So hopefully you're able to book some of your trades. Get out, get back in, something like that. But now this S&P, it's going there. It's going to hit my channel line. Oh, baby. Come on. Almost. Right there. A little higher. Right there. And, you know, while I would say to you, boy, the train is leaving the station. You got to get on board. We'll see. We'll see. No real numbers out of Europe tonight. We did have numbers that came out last night. London, non-farm payroll, a little bit weaker, but there were some good things in the number. I mean, the unemployment rate went up, but average earnings were down, but previous number was higher. So net, it was a better number. Claimant count, though, increased 1,200, better than the 9,100 estimate. And the revision was higher. So really, all in all, it really was not a bad number. For London, Euro sterling rallying again, more on the German bond auction. U.S. producer prices surging on the core side. Headline on the weak side. Headline is with food and energy, core is without. So putting in food and energy, producer prices coming in. We did have some commodity sell-off, so remember it's a lagging number. Going forward, oil's still above 100, around there. Foreign flows of capital exploding. Almost $60 billion. The estimate was for 27 and change. Oh, baby. So, when we take a look at some of the numbers that came out from the U.S., really not that bad. Housing market index coming at 25. Industrial production a little bit light. Revision was light. Capacity utilization a little bit light, but big deal. Tonight, big numbers. We got New Zealand quarterly inflation report. CPI supposed to be up 0.4%. That's in 40 minutes. The Kiwi was awesome today. Aussie Kiwi. Again, it's all about these futures. Will they break them out or won't they? We are right there. I don't think they're going to make it easy. But you know what? The way we close today, you would think, boy, we're going up. This market's so nutty, I could see us coming down. Who knows? Third base. That's who does. Dollar index. Again, as far as numbers tonight, we got plenty in Asia. Aussie unemployment. Inflation expectations. Consumer confidence out of London. Leading index out of China at 9 o'clock. So all good numbers. Dollar index, as we said, continuing to sell off. Didn't even really have a pop, did we? But this dollar index to me looks like it wants to roll over more. We need to test some levels. Certainly 80.25. And that would be the 30 exponential. But you take a look at this dollar index. We are rolling over. We could be looking at a nice little head and shoulders even through this level here. Like here you have the neckline, 79.50. You got your left shoulder, your head, right shoulder, brouhahaing. So I think 79.50 could be a target. Absolutely. On dollar index. As far as other numbers coming out, Europe, not much. Current account, monthly bulletin out of the ECB. Canadian manufacturing sales supposed to increase 1%. Last month was down nicely at 0.8%. To me, the big number is the U.S. It's all about unemployment claims. Forget about building permits. Yeah, core CPI is important. Philly Fed, big. Crude inventories, yeah, you know. It's all about unemployment claims. Will we breach 400? Will we breach 400? That's the key. That is the key. So, looking at this euro-dollar chart, German auction, things went well. Looks like we're going to go right to this channel line here, people. And again, at the 30 EMA. That's 129.50. Easy. Remember, the euro is so freaking oversold. Look where we've come from. We've gone down over 1,300 pips in a straight line. So looking at this euro dollar, we should have continuation tonight. Easy. Certainly 129. No problem. This channel line here, 129.50, should be easy. This might even be the bottom. And again, those of you that missed my webinar today, or those of you that signed up for the webinar and missed it, it's okay. I'll be redoing it when? Oh, I can't figure it out. Let's do it Sunday again, because I think some of you missed it because of work. Let's do it Sunday again at, I don't know, NFL football. We'll do it at Sunday night, 6:30 p.m. Eastern. Those of you that signed up, that missed it, that want it again, email me back again to reserve your spot. A lot of no-shows. Didn't like that. Euro yen, daily chart looks good. Looks like we want to continue to break out again. Certainly 99.50, maybe even higher. We're going up. I'll tell you, the weekly chart's going to look very good on these. Euro sterling, looks like it wants to grind a little higher too. Did reverse on my channel line here. At perfection. I still love it short. I think we roll over. I think cable looks good. Look at sterling. That number was good today. Oh, baby. El Cable, El Looking, El Good. Certainly 55.50. If I'm right about euro sterling coming in. Hey, this thing's been grinding low. I don't want to hear it. Euro Canada may have reversed a little bit. But again, hitting the channel line. And certainly looks like it wants to reverse. Dalian, going nowhere. Tried to make a run, failed. It's a waste of buying power. It's just such a joke. Dollar Canada, a little bit of a wick, had a little pop in it. A little bit of an inside day, but it did take out the lows. DC looks terrible. Dollar Canada looks like it wants to break sharply. We failed today. That should be Momo to the downside. We break this downtrend channel line. Say goodnight. Look at that. This thing looks like it's perching to the downside. Oh, baby. 99. If this thing really breaks, and it looks terrible. Stock market looks good. Risk on. One of the things we spoke about at the webinar today. Risk on. What does that mean? Carry trade. Buy it. Dollar Swiss rolling over. Love it short. Sell any strength. It broke. Yeah, it's almost 150 pips. Who cares? Any pop. Sell. Love it. How about that big spike in Euro Swiss, huh? What was that all about? Intervention? I don't think so. Pound Aussie. Interesting day. It did rally. We were right. Unemployment numbers coming out tonight in Australia. You get a good number. Aussie Kiwi. Hello. Told you I love that trade. Aussie Kiwi. Bang. Coming back nicely because of triple roll. But this Aussie Kiwi. Perching, rolling over head and shoulders. Say bye-bye. So in looking at this, Aussie Kiwi looks terrible. New Zealand is going to continue to rally. Kiwi trying to break out. Look at this thing. It's gone. Like the wind. Do your Fibonacci. Remember, they are rebuilding from a devastating earthquake. We're going to 81 easy. Maybe even make a run for 80.50. 82.50, I mean. But certainly 81 looks baked in the cake. Take a look at gold. Failed a little bit today. But still, my channel line, it looks like it must hit. And we're talking about 1690, 1685, zone-ish. Crude. Nice reversal, stalled right at resistance. I still like crude long. Even though Obama's trying to appease Iran with sending that stupid letter. I mean, how do you offer to direct negotiations with them when they still want to kill Americans? It's incredible to me. Right, it's all rhetoric. Right. Pound Swiss. I'm telling you, this baby's rolling over. Look at that. Rolling over. It's a dead short. Under 145. Got to sell on strength, baby. Swiss franc looks like it wants to rally. Oh, mama. And again, Aussie yen. Maybe even break out. Over 80, closing strong. Look at this. Wedging. Breaking out of the wedge. I'm telling you, this baby looks like it wants to fly. Certainly up to this channel line, which is 81. 100 pips. Oh, baby. All right, people, listen again. If you missed my webinar today, I'm doing another one Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern. Email me to reserve your spot. Don't miss it this time. The reviews were tremendous. And again, to find out more about my premium service, email me. info@globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton. Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Made you some today, baby.